Hi guys, welcome back to my IGTV. I hope you're all doing well. So today I thought of sharing with you guys a few of the makeup and skincare products that I have been loving, and I have been using these products for a while now. Sometimes I get to show them in my videos, sometimes I don't, and I have been using these products. So I thought I might as well share this with you guys so that if you're looking to buy these products, here's a foolproof review that I have thoroughly enjoyed using these products. So yeah, that's what this video is about. In case you like such videos, please let me know so that I can do more of that. And now without any further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so first let's start with some skincare products. So the first product that I have been loving is this Indulgio Rose Gold Essential Oil, and I know I'm late to the party. I've used this product after so long, and I think it is totally worth it. It is so good. Everybody loves it, and for the right reasons. It is such a nice facial oil. Even if you're oily, combination, whatever skin type, it's gonna work for you because it's not at all heavy. It doesn't feel like you have a lot of, oiliness on your face. Even I'm a dry skin type, it just gets absorbed really quickly, and I just love it. Even you can use it under your makeup or just as a skincare product. I think it's a fab product and you should definitely check it out. Alright, so next up again we have something that has been in the market for so long and a lot of people love it, but I again used it very late, so better late than never. So this is the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and this is so good, you guys. It has that image of such like the best sleeping mask, lip sleeping mask. I think it's the for the right reasons. I really like it. It is so good. I'll show you guys. This is what the texture looks like, and I've been using it for quite some time and I haven't used a lot, so I think this goes a long way. Especially, I mean, I don't have super dry lips. Sometimes I feel like I need to apply a lot of lip balm, otherwise I have normal lips, I would say. So I apply it once or like twice a day, and I think I have been using it for super long, and you need very little amount, and it just plumps your lips and it looks really nice. And of course, your lips feel really good. Your lipstick later on goes on super smoothly, so I would definitely recommend this. I know it's expensive, like for 500 you get this 8 gram, but it is worth it in case you're looking for it. Yeah, I mean, if you want to try it, I think it's a really nice product. Next up, again from Laneige, we have their water sleeping mask, and I love this as well. Of course, all of the products I love, that's why they are in this video, but this one in particular, it's really good if you are a dry skin, especially because it's a water sleeping mask, so it does not feel heavy on the skin. I mean, even if you're like an oily skin, you can of course use it. It's not heavy on the skin. It's like a water based product, so works great for oily skin, combination skin as well. This one is a small tub, and yeah, I'll show you guys the texture of that as well. So as you can see, I have used pretty much almost all of it. I do have 2-3 backups of this, and even my sister loved this, so she took one of that. And yeah, I have a few backups. I have the other variants which I'm gonna try, but right now I think I really like it. Sometimes I use it just as a moisturizer. I use very little amount when I'm using it as a moisturizer, but when I'm using it as a water like a sleeping mask, then I apply a little bit amount and a little thick layer and then just go to sleep. It gives you really nice hydrated skin. So yeah, if you're looking for a sleeping mask, this one should be a go-to. Next up is also something that I have also talked about before, but in case you have not watched that video, I'm talking about the Nykaa Clay It Cool mask. This is what that looks like. I have been loving it. I think it's after so long that I have actually loved a mask, like a face mask. So okay, I'll show you guys how that looks like. Oops. So this is what the texture of it looks like, and as you can see, I have almost on the halfway there. I use it, my sisters have used it, and everybody loved it. Every time I feel like I have acne and I just apply it, since it's a clay mask and I'm a dry skin type, I don't leave it for too long. I don't let it completely dry, but when it's semi dry, I just remove it with a cotton cloth, and works wonders for me. It feels very cooling on the skin. Your skin feels really nice, and of course works on the acne since it's the anti-acne clay variant. There are other variants as well which I have not tried, but I love this one. So in case you're looking for something, you can try this. Alright, so that's all for skincare products. Now let's move on to makeup. And one thing that I have been loving so much is this Natasha More mascara. You guys, I cannot put it down. It is so good. Agreed. Very expensive, but so good. I mean, if I say I love a mascara, that means it's gonna work amazing on you guys. Since I mean, I have poker straight lashes. No mascara does, you know, no mascara can curl my lashes except the Benefit mascara and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise also. That's also nice, but this is so good. I love the packaging, such a classy and Lux packaging. Really like it. It curls my lashes, and it also keeps them curled. That's also very important. No mascara does it. So yeah, really love it. If you have the money to spend on a mascara and you're looking for a high-end mascara, I think you should definitely check out. Love it. All right, so next up I have a few blushes that I want to show you guys. So this one is in fact like a makeup slash skincare product. So this is from Forest Trove, and this is the lip and cheek tint, and this one is in the shade Summer, orange and tangerine. In maybe the shade name is Summer. So this is what it looks like. I have digged into it and used it, and it is very beautiful. I haven't used it over makeup, so I cannot say about that, but in case you're looking for tint that would look really good without makeup, this one you can try. This is really nice. It works. It looks very natural and also gives you that beautiful sheen within from your skin, so that also looks really nice. Sometimes when I go to the gym, I just apply it. I apply a little bit of lip balm and then I apply this, and it looks very natural. It doesn't look like I have something on my lips. So yeah, that is something I really like. So yeah, in case you're looking for something like that, you can try this. Next up, here is another new favorite that I have been loving. I've used it like twice only, but since it already has become my favorite. This is the Flower Beauty bomb Flower Beauty blush bomb. Yeah, this is what it looks like. This one is in the shade Bubbly. Yeah, this one is in the shade Bubbly. And now when I saw this, I thought this shade might not suit me, but it looks really beautiful. This is what I have on my face. But yeah, it's really nice. There are sometimes when you apply a liquid blush or like a tint, it can remove your foundation, but this does not remove your foundation. It goes beautiful on the makeup. I haven't tried it without makeup, so I cannot say about that, but if you're looking for something that would you know, make your blush also long lasting, you can apply this and then go on with the powder blush. But this is so good in case you like that liquid blushes. So yeah, really like it. And especially it's gonna take you so long to finish it because you need very little amount. So yeah, really nice. And then moving on to another blush that I absolutely love and is also super affordable is this one from Cuffs and Lashes. This is the shade Cuppy Cake. Actually, this is from 20 something or Cuffs and Lashes. It's the same brand, but yeah, this one is in the shade Cuppy Cake. I really like it. The packaging, I would say it's okay-ish, but the product in itself is really nice. It's very nicely pigmented and it goes on very nicely, and also blends really well, and super affordable. I think for 200 or 225 something, it is a really nice blush. And yeah, they will of course have another shade, so you can check those out as well. So yeah, really like this. All right, so next up we have something from K Beauty. I mean, are you guys even surprised? I don't think I've ever used a product from K Beauty that I did not like. I absolutely love the brand. So this is their contour and highlight palette. So this is what it looks like. Now agreed, this shade is not a highlight shade. Definitely, I don't know what the brand was thinking here, but these two shades work really nicely on my skin tone, and the contour is really nice. It's a very beautiful shade of contour, and the bronzer also works very beautifully. And yeah, I mean, these two shades will work for most skin types. I would have loved if the brand had a lot more shades, and yeah, of course, I mean, you can not everybody can use this, but it works for most skin types. So yeah, would have loved or would love to see more shades in this, because the formula is so buttery smooth. I think like all of their makeup, this one also has that mango murmuru butter, whatever they put in the makeup. This blends so smoothly. It looks really beautiful on the skin. This is what I no, I don't have this, but I have something else on my, but this one I love. I absolutely love. And the packaging is so good from K Beauty. Like, it's a very beautiful packaging. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I just don't like, I don't use this shade actually. Some people can, if you're like if you're a lot duskier, this one can sometimes can you can use as a setting powder also, but otherwise I think it won't work for me. It doesn't work for me. But yeah, these two shades I absolutely love. All right, so again, something from K Beauty is their lipstick. I love it, you guys. This is the formula. It needs a minute of its own. It's so good. I mean, my sister used it for the first time and she was like, oh my god, I'm keeping this, because I absolutely love it. It just glides on so smooth. It's like a butter on your lips. Really nice. I'll just look at that. So pigmented and so buttery soft. Looks really nice, and it's very nicely pigmented, and I absolutely love, if you don't understand already, absolutely love the lipstick. And also, as you can see, the packaging is super nice. And I think, I'm not sure how much this retails for, maybe 999, maybe, yeah, maybe 999. So it is expensive, but I also really like it. So I mean, you make the choice if you want to spend that much on a lipstick. But yeah, really. All right, so moving on to another lipstick, specifically the shade that I'm gonna give a shout out for is this one from Try Sugar. Now this is the Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick. I do love the formula. It's really nice. I'm not a biggest fan of the packaging. Sometimes it can, I have all the shades, so some lipsticks, for some the packaging sometimes gets stuck, so that is like, they should have worked on the packaging more. But this shade, you guys, this one is in the shade, yeah, 14 Caffeine Banded. And if you're into browns, look at that. This is so good. The shade is so beautiful, and also it's very smooth. It's matte, it's transfer proof. Most of the part is transfer proof. I mean, really nice. This one I think retails for about 699. So yeah, you can check this out. It's a it has amazing shades, but this one is specifically my favorite. I always keep it outside, so that, because the tip of this is also very like precise, not compared to usual lipstick. So I really like it to outline, and then I go on with a very nude lipstick, and it just makes the most beautiful lip shade. So yeah, I really like it. And with this, I also use another lipstick which I just cannot find, and I have used it in so many of my tutorials, and I have already given it a shout out, is the Nykaa lipstick in the shade Wake Up and Makeup. This and that, the combination of both is so good. You can check it out on my Instagram. I have a picture. So yeah, that's that. All right, so staying in the lip category only, I have to show you guys these lip liners from Nykaa Beauty. They are so good, you guys. Now these are the Lips Don't Lie lip liners. Now they had, of course, they had these before also, but they launched I think 6 more shades, and ever since I received it, which means a month before the launch, I have not put it down. I had a lot of lip liners, but I never used them because I thought it was too much hustle. But this has changed it all. Now every time I apply a lipstick, I have to go on with the lip liner. First of all, it makes your lipstick last longer, and it is also when your lipstick is removed, you have something underneath, so that also looks really nice, and it fades very nicely. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This one is in the shade Just Bitten, and it is so smooth, you guys. So smooth. Like, if you don't want to apply a lipstick, you can just apply the lip liner and you're good to go. It's very nice. The beautiful matte finish, I absolutely love it. Glides on really smoothly. So yeah, you should check out these if you're looking for lip liners that are really good. Alright, so last but not the least, I have these lashes by an Instagram page called You Beaut. So they send me like 3 of their lashes, and I have been using them ever since I received it. I've been using that one particular lash ever since, because I apply it for like what, maybe like 15 minutes, 20 minutes after I'm just done shooting, and I remove it. And I've been using that particular, this is also from You Beaut only, and I think that this one is in the volume 1. But yeah, I really like the quality of the lashes, and they are very lightweight, but they're also have some, you know, drama to it, like different styles. So yeah, I really like it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and it was helpful to you guys. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you'd like to see more of such videos, I would do like sort of my monthly favorites for you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like this video, and also let me know if you guys like the background. Like, do you think the lighting thingy looks nice? Yeah, just tell me your thoughts about it. And yeah, now please like this video in case you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.